Karbi Farmers Association Koilamati branch organized one-day free medical checkup camp. Denarong Karbi Cultural Society visited various subcommittees falling under Denarong KSS zone on 11 September. Canary Renma village under Nilip developmental block needs to be looked after from the government. Good morning and welcome to KAL Live English Primetime News. 2 months right after the formation of Karbi Farmers Association Koilamati branch, the branch organized one-day free medical checkup camp at Langso LP School on 10 September under Nilip constituency. As a procedure to boost the agricultural sector in the district, Karbi Farmers Association Koilamati branch organized one-day free medical checkup camp at Langso LP School from 11 a.m. onwards on 10 September to scrutinize the well-being of farmers as well as local people. Thomas Ingti, President of KFA Koilamati branch, presided the event and brief introduction was carried out by Sarlong Kiribe, Assistant General Secretary of KFA Koilamati branch. Iswal Teron, Vice President of KFA Koilamati branch, Longbir Kathar, Spokesperson of KFA Koilamati branch, Jali Ronghang, SGB, Dr. Emmanuel Munda and Samuel Tiso attended the event and made it a grand success. The local citizens praised Karbi Farmers Association Koilamati branch and a medical team of Koilamati Medical Sub-Center led by Dr. Emmanuel Munda for organizing one-day free medical check camp.
Ang anak kiso apukar ting pen kedang lok areba moy kiso pen kedang lok ang to nitum ke sitame nitum lang ponong lo asi nitum farmer association pen abang ken non kivang jilang sitame nilitum un anpen lapuson free medical camp ki biponje pha nilitum avarsai bangke yan pon thubompo.
Karbi Farmers Association Koilamati branch, while speaking to us, informed that the association aims to uplift and boost the agricultural sector in the district. More events and workshops would be organized under their initiative in following days.
The wider roban ke nilitum dak doan stame dak long et lo nilitum akijoy pensipilo lakadobi tum hantam.
Samson Ingtes report from Koilamati for KAL Live. On 11 September, with a vision to boost and promote cultural knowledge to the next level, Denarong Karbi Cultural Society visited various subcommittees falling under Denarong KSS zone to see their preparedness for the upcoming 30th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival. Denarong Karbi Cultural Society KSS made this visit to ensure maximum participation of the units falling under Denarong KSS zone, to encourage and motivate every youth belonging to the Karbi community to explore and gather maximum traditional and cultural knowledge. The members of various units and sub-units expressed their happiness due to the inspection made from the Denarong Karbi Cultural Society Zonal Committee.
Dasini tum kevangji labangso non ndeng thongke phawar kar sunum sorongje bangke nitum tirika mami seng pon depen nitum labangso ai nitina long tami nitum humri ponpo dasi pini bangke nitum bitilang so pcs init lapente dak ser dihun pcs init long si nang humri lo.
Rites Inghi, Executive Member of KAL Autonomous Council, as well as President of the Reception Committee, Denarong Karbi Cultural Society, Zonal Committee appeal all the citizens to participate in the 30th Zonal Karbi Youth Festival to empower, motivate and inspire the new generation of the community. Bikram Teron's report from Denarong for KAL Live. Canary Renma village is a village established in the year 1948 under Nilip education block. The village is approximately 40 kilometers away from Koilamati. To know the in-depth knowledge about the grievances, facilities, opportunities and sufferings of the villagers, media team advanced to the village on 12 September. Canary Renma village is a 7 decades old village situated alongside the river of Degrum. The village consists of nearly 26 families residing currently. The villagers are mainly dependent on horticulture. Their main production includes pineapples, oranges, etc. for their livelihood. But although the village is 7 decades old, there is no any passable road connecting directly from Koilamati to Canary Renma village and its adjoining villages. One of the villagers, while speaking to us, informed that the main difficulty and challenge that the people of Canary Renma village facing currently is the proper road system. There are no beneficiaries of PMAY house scheme, but their houses are left incomplete.
আচ্ছা এতিয়া আমি আমাৰবিলাক লগাটো ৰাস্তা আৰু টৱাৰ লাগিব আৰু ইয়াতে আমাৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰিচিটিৰ ট্ৰান্সফৰ্মাৰ বেয়া হৈ নাছে এতিয়া আমি এতিয়া কমপ্লেইন আমি একো ৰিপৰ্ট দিব পৰা নাই তহঁতৰ এতিয়া মেইন ইমাৰ্জেঞ্চি আমি লগাটো টৱাৰ আৰু এইটো ৰাস্তাটো অলপ চাইডলি গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট চাইডলি ভাল আৰু
It was reported that the region is disconnected from the mainland as there is still no mobile network, no roads and bridges, medical health center where the nurse make an appearance of once in 2 months and many more. Only few know the existence of Canary Renma village as many refuses to go due to its geographical position appears to be isolated from the mainland. Hence, the village needs to be looked after from the concerned authority and KAAC. Samson Inktis report from Koilamati for KAL Live. Thank you for watching KAL Live. Have a great day.